He's got a shotgun and he's pointing it at me. He says, don't run, no, don't you leave, I'm gonna catch you. If it's the last thing I do. He said there's nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. That's where he's wrong, he won't catch me this time, 'cause I'll always be 2 steps ahead. And there's a target on my back and a warrant to bring me in. Well, I'm sorry if your ego's bruised, but that's not against the law. You can't lock me up just for walking out that door. Let's just save us both the trouble and leave me alone, 'cause I'm not going back to you. Can you see your shotgun's not gonna catch me? I first Captain Hitch my way out of your life. Your manipulation won't bring me back, 'cause I'm gone and you're the guilty one. And there's a target on my back and a warrant to bring me in. Well, I'm sorry if your ego's bruised, but that's not against the law. You can't lock me up just for walking out that door. Let's just save us both the trouble and leave me alone, 'cause I'm not going back to you. Can you see your shotgun's not gonna catch me? Well, you know, if this went to court that I'd be set free. The jury would see right through your innocent plea. The judge will decide to lock you up for life. Well, I'm sorry if your ego's bruised, but that's not against the law. You can't lock me up just for walking out that door. Let's just save us both the trouble and leave me alone, 'cause I'm not going back to you. Can you see? Well, I'm sorry if your ego's bruised, but that's not against the law. You can't lock me up just for walking out that door. Let's just save us both the trouble and leave me alone, 'cause I'm not going back to you. Can you see your shotgun's not gonna catch me? Your shotgun's not gonna catch me.
All right. Smashed it.
Yeah.
Deuce.